Whiteboard application is your digital tool for brainstorming, collaboration, and instruction. This tutorial video will teach you how to insert multimedia such as picture and shapes. Insert picture. Tap the Insert Picture icon to add images from local storage or external devices. Resize, rotate, or move the image as needed. Insert 2D and 3D shape. Tap the Shapes icon to add predefined 2D and 3D shapes. Adjust the size, color, and position of the shape. Insert tables. Tap the table icon to insert customizable tables to organize information in rows and columns. The table will automatically adjust according to the size of the text. Insert PDF files. Tap the PDF icon to insert PDF files from local drive, USB drive, or Google Drive. Choose to insert all pages or specific pages.